Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Aanchal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So students, in our previous session, we have discussed about the topic that was business basics. Okay, so in that topic, we have discussed about the various business personalities, those who had gained so much wealth, so much fame with their hard work, with their business tactics. Okay, so we have discussed about the various Indian based business professionals, those who had now became the CEO of various big companies in the other countries. So just I have given the example of Satya Nadella. Now he is the CEO of Microsoft. Okay, and another Indian and that is Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Google Incorporation. Okay, other than that, Chanda Kochhar. So Chanda Kochhar, she is the first Indian woman to become the CEO of, sorry, the chairman. She is not the CEO, she is the chairman of ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. Okay, so today we are going to start with the next topic, that is from your book, and it is given at page number 71. Quiz yourself too. Okay, so all of you open your books at page number 71, that is quiz yourself 3, and this topic is given at page number 71. Okay, so in this topic we will discuss about the various questions that are related to the different topics. Okay, starting with the first one. What is the capital of Egypt? What is the capital of Egypt? So the capital of Egypt is Cairo. So the capital of Egypt is Cairo. So this is the capital of Egypt. So the answer for the first blank is, that is Cairo. C-A-R-I-O. Cairo is the capital of Egypt. So it is one of the very famous city from the Egypt only, that is Cairo. Moving next to the second one. The second one is, who is the author of 5 Point Samban and 2 States? Okay, so he is one of the very famous author from our India. Okay, he is Chetan Bhagat. So Chetan Bhagat is the author, or you can say the writer of the books, that is the 2 States and the 5 Point Samban. Okay, so there is a movie also that is made on this 2 States. Okay, so the author of these 2 books, that is the 5 Point Samban and the 2 States, is Chetan Bhagat. So the answer for your second blank is, that is Chetan Bhagat. So he is one of the very famous Indian author. Okay, so he is Chetan Bhagat. Moving next to the third one. The third question is, which is the longest bone in our body? Which is the longest bone in our body, or which is the longest bone in our human body? So the longest bone in the human body is, that is femur. Okay, that is femur. So femur is the longest bone in a human body. So femur bone is behind the thighs. Okay, from up to the thighs to the ankle. Okay, this is the femur. Okay, so femur is the longest bone in our body. So हमारी thighs, back side of our thighs up to the ankle, this is the femur bone, and this femur is the longest bone in a human body. So the answer for the third blank is, which is the longest bone in our body? That is femur. Femur. So the answer for the next is femur. F-E-M-U-R. Femur. So femur is the longest bone in the human body. Moving next to the fourth one. The fourth is, which is the largest herbivore on land? Which is the largest herbivore on land? Now what is herbivores? So herbivores are the animals, those those who eat plants and grass only, or they don't eat meat. Okay, so there are three kinds of animals. The first is the herbivores, second is carnivores, and the third is omnivore. Okay, so the herbivore animals, they feed on plants and trees, like they are pure veg. Okay, in the human language we call it as vegetarian. Okay, so the herbivores are the animals, those who get their food from the plants and from the trees, from the fruits, from the berries. Okay, so these are herbivore animals. Second is carnivores. So carnivores are the animals, those who eat meat, flesh, or the other animals or the insects, okay, as their food. Okay, so those who take other animals or the meat or the flesh or insects as their food, they are known as carnivores. Okay, so the example for the herbivore, like cow. Okay, so I can the cow is a herbivore. Goat, so mostly the mammals जिनको अपने घर में पालते हैं, they are herbivores, like the cow, the buffalo, the goat. So these all are the herbivore animals. Now moving to the carnivores. So carnivores are the animals, those who eat meat and flesh, like lion, tiger, the wild animals. Okay, so these are known as the carnivores. So they eat other animals. Okay, so they take other animals as their food. Okay, so they are called carnivores. The third is the omnivores. So what is the omnivores animals? The omnivores are the animals, those who eat grass, plant, as well as the meat as well. So they eat both. They, like the veg and the non-veg, they eat both. So they are called carnivores, just like a bear. So bear, he also eat meat and the flesh. Other than that, he also eat the grass, the fruits, the berries. Okay, so he eat both. Matlab he is a mixture of herbivore and the carnivores. Okay, so the animals, those who eat both, like grass and plants and the fruits and the berries, along with the meat, the flesh, the other animals. Okay, so they are known as carnivores. Okay, so here the question is, which is the largest herbivore on land? धरती के ऊपर सबसे बड़ा herbivore animal कौन सा है? So which is the largest herbivore on the land? That is African elephants. Okay, so that is African elephants. So African elephants are the largest herbivore animals on the land. So the answer for the fourth blank is, that is African elephants. That is African elephants. So African elephants are the largest herbivores on land. Moving next to the fifth. The fifth is, according to legend, what are the names of the twins who founded Rome in the 753 BC? Okay, so now it is not used as BC, now it is termed as BCE. BCE is before Common Era. Okay, so here the question is, according to the legends, what are the name of the twins who founded Rome? So जिन्होंने रोम, the country Rome, जिन्होंने ढूंढी थी, so what was the name of those? They were twin brothers, okay, who founded the Rome. So the name of these twin brothers are Romulus and Remus. So Romulus and the Remus, they founded Rome. Okay, so they were the explorers. Okay, so once they went on an expedition, at that time they have discovered the Rome. Okay, so the name of these two twins were Romulus and Remus, and they founded Rome in 753 BCE. Now we will not term it as BC, we will write it as BCE. Okay, so that is Romulus and Remus. That is Romulus, ROMULUS, Romulus and Remus, REMUS, Romulus and the Remus. Moving next to the sixth. The sixth is, okay, what will you find once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in the 1,000 years? Okay, so this question is little bit from the reasoning part. Okay, so first of all, just note down the answers from the first 5 lines. The first is Cairo, the capital of Egypt. Second is Chetan Bhagat. Okay, so he is one of the famous author from our India. Third is the femur. Femur is the longest bone in the human body. The fourth is the African elephants. So African elephants are the largest herbivores on the land. The next is the Romulus and the Remus. They are the twin brothers who has founded Rome. Clear? Moving next to the question number 6. So that's related to the reasoning part. So the question number 6 is, what will you find once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in 1,000 years? Okay, so let's see. Okay, the first is once in a minute. Once in a minute. So what is the spelling of minute? That is M-I-N-U-T-E, minute. Then its second word is, that is moment. M-O-M-E-N-T, that's moment. And the next is 1,000 years. Okay, the third thing they told us that about 1,000 years. Okay. So now the question was actually, what will you find once in a minute? So you will find that thing in a minute, only once you will find that thing. In a moment you will find that thing for the 2 times, and in the 1,000 years you will not find any. You will never found this word. So here we are talking about the letter M. So in the minute the letter M appears only for 1 time, that is M. In moment we can see the letter M appears for the 2 times, whereas in the 1,000 years there is no letter M. So that means this is just it's a question from the reasoning part. So in a minute you will find letter M for the once. In a moment you will find letter M for the 2 times, that is twice. And whereas in 1,000 years there is no such letter M. So the answer is, that is letter M, alphabetical letter. Okay, that is letter M. So we can find letter M once in a minute, twice in a moment, and never in the 1,000 years. So the answer for the 6th blank is, that is the letter M. The 6th is the letter M. The letter M. Okay. Moving next to the 7th one. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Okay. So who was the first women Prime Minister of India? Okay. So भारत की सबसे पहली महिला प्रधानमंत्री कौन थी? Okay, the Prime Minister is the Pradhan Mantri. Okay, so who was the first women Prime Minister of India? That is Indira Gandhi. So Indira Gandhi is the first women Prime Minister of India. So the answer for the 7th is, that is Indira Gandhi. She is that is Indira Gandhi, mother of Rajiv Gandhi and grandmother of Rahul Gandhi. Okay, so Indira Gandhi was the first women Prime Minister of India. Okay, later on in the year 1982, I think that she was shot dead by one of his security guards, bodyguards. Okay, and she was the first women Prime Minister of India. Moving next to the 8th. Which of these forms of dance is Pandit Birju Maharaj associated with? Okay, so you know the Pandit Birju Maharaj, he is one of the classical dancer of India. Okay, so now we have to identify that which particular dance form is he associated with. So Pandit Birju Maharaj कौन सी classical dance form के साथ associated है? So this is the question. So here they have given the name of the 3 classical dance forms of India. That is, the first is the Bharatnatyam, second is Kuchipudi, the third is the Kathak. Okay, so Pandit Birju Maharaj is associated with Kathak. The Kathak is the folk dance of Uttar Pradesh. Okay, and Pandit Birju Maharaj, he is associated with the folk dance of Uttar Pradesh, that is Kathak. Okay, so the question was, which of these dance form Pandit Birju Maharaj associated with? So the answer is the Pandit Birju Maharaj is associated with Kathak. So the answer for the next is, that is Kathak. K-A-T-H-A-K. Kathak. Pandit Birju Maharaj is associated with Kathak. Moving next to the 9th one. In which city would you find the famous building Burj Khalifa? Okay, so in which city you will find the famous building Burj Khalifa? So we can find the famous building, the one of the tallest building of the world. That is the height of the Burj Khalifa is near about 892 meters. Okay, so this is the height of Burj Khalifa and it is located in Dubai. It is located in Dubai and this is one of the tallest building. This is the tallest building. The Burj Khalifa is the tallest building of the world. Okay, and it is located in Dubai. Okay, and the height of Burj Khalifa is 892 meters, near about 1 kilometer. So this is the height of Burj Khalifa. Okay, so the Burj Khalifa is the tallest building of the world and it is located in Dubai, one of the city of UAE. Dubai is one of the city of UAE, of the United Arab Emirates. Okay, so Dubai is one of the city of UAE. Moving next to the 10th one. The 10th question that is given here is, who is the writer of the national anthem of Bangladesh? Okay, so here, who is the writer of the national anthem of Bangladesh? That is Rabindranath Tagore. So Rabindranath Tagore is the writer of national anthem of Bangladesh, as well as he is also the writer of the national anthem of our own country, India. Okay, so Rabindranath Tagore has written the national anthem of India as well as of Bangladesh. Okay, along with that, he is the first Asian. Okay, so he was a poet. Okay, and he is the first Asian who has been awarded with the Nobel Prize. Okay, in any category. So the Rabindranath Tagore is the first Asian, not only in India or the Bangladesh. He is from the whole continent Asia. Okay, so from the whole continent Asia, he is the first person who has been awarded with the Nobel Prize. Okay, and he has been awarded with the Nobel Prize for his book, that is Gitanjali. Okay, so he has written a book Gitanjali. For that's a collection of poems, and for that he has been awarded with the Nobel Prize. And Rabindranath Tagore, he has also written the national anthem of India. Okay, so the national anthem of India is Jan Gan Man, whereas the national anthem of Bangladesh is Amar Sonar Bangla. Okay, so these two national anthems of two different countries, that is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So the answer for the 10th is, that is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. He is Rabindranath Tagore. He has written the national anthem of India as well as of Bangladesh. Clear? So this is the answer for the 6 to 10. The 6th is the letter M, so that question was related to the reasoning. 7th is Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the first women Prime Minister of India. 3rd is Kathak. So Pandit Birju Maharaj is associated with Kathak. And other than that, Kathak is also the famous folk dance of our state, that is Uttar Pradesh. Next, Dubai. Dubai is one of the very beautiful beautiful city of UAE, and the tallest building in the world, that is Burj Khalifa, that is located in Dubai only. The next is Rabindranath Tagore. He is the first Asian who has been awarded with the Nobel Prize. Okay, and he has also written the national anthem of India as well as of Bangladesh. Okay, so these are the answers from 6 to 10 from the book. Okay, and you can pause the video here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay beta, chaliye now we will move to the next question, that is question number 11. Let's move to the next, that is question number 11. So the 11th question is, what is Chrome a type of? Browser, social networking site और instant messenger. ओके, तो जो क्रोम है वो किस चीज़ की टाइप है? क्या वो एक ब्राउज़र है, सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट है या मैसेंजर है? सो द क्रोम इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ अ ब्राउज़र. ब्राउज़र क्या होता है? जहाँ पे आगे जाके आप ब्राउज़ करते हो, जहाँ पे आके आप सर्च करते हो कि अलग अलग चीज़ें, कोई साइट हो, कोई भी पर्टिकुलर कोई भी चीज़ को आप सर्च करना हो, तो यू हैव टू ओपन अ ब्राउज़र. Okay, and the Google Chrome, this is the one of today, this is the most commonly and most widely used browser these days. Okay, so that is Google Chrome. So the Google Chrome is a kind of a browser. So the answer for the 11th is, that is browser. Moving to the 12th one. The 12th is, in the epic, the Mahabharata, who was the eldest brothers among the Pandavas? जो पांडव हैं, ठीक है, महाभारत में, so you must have heard about the Mahabharata. This is one of the epic saga of our country. Okay, and the question is, in the epic the Mahabharata, who was the eldest brothers among Pandavas? जो पांडव थे, 5 पांडव थे, जो उनके सबसे बड़े भाई थे, उनका नाम क्या था? Who was the eldest? सबसे बड़े पांडवों के जो भाई थे, उनका नाम क्या था? So that was युधिष्ठिर. That is Yudhishthir. Okay, so Yudhishthir was the eldest brother of Pandavas. Yudhishthir was the eldest brothers of Pandavas. So in question was, in the epic the Mahabharata, who was the eldest brother among the Pandavas? That is Yudhishthir. So Yudhishthir was the eldest brother of Pandavas. So Yudhishthir was the eldest. Yudhishthir, Yudhis. Okay, so the spelling is little bit wrong, so I will write it again. That is Yudhishthir. Yudhishthir. उनका नाम था युधिष्ठिर. युधिष्ठिर वॉज द एल्डेस्ट ब्रदर्स ऑफ द पांडवास. ओके, युधिष्ठिर से छोटे थे भीम, देन इट्स अर्जुन, देन नकुल एंड देन सहदेव. द एल्डेस्ट वॉज युधिष्ठिर, देन इट वॉज भीम, थर्ड वन वॉज अर्जुन, द फोर्थ वॉज नकुल एंड द फिफ्थ वन वॉज सहदेव. सो दैट मीन युधिष्ठिर वॉज द एल्डेस्ट एंड द सहदेव वॉज द यंगेस्ट अमंग द 5 पांडवास. क्लियर? चलिए, so let's move to the 13th question. The 13th question is, with which state of India is the folk dance Bihu associated? इंडिया की कौन सी स्टेट से जो फोक डांस है बिहू जो एसोसिएटेड है? सो द फोक डांस ऑफ इंडिया, so the Bihu is associated with the Bihu folk dance is associated with Assam. So जो बिहू है वो कौन सी स्टेट का डांस है? दैट इज ऑफ Assam. So Bihu dance is associated, is a famous folk dance of Assam. Okay, तो बिहू कहाँ का फेमस फोक डांस है? दैट इज ऑफ Assam. ASSAM. So Bihu is the famous folk dance of Assam. ASSAM. That is Assam. So you must have seen this dance as well. Let's move to the 14th here. The 14th is, which Bollywood actress played the lead role in the US television series Quantico? ओके, सो भारत की कौन सी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस थी जिन्होंने यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स की एक बहुत ही फेमस टीवी सीरीज, द नेम वॉज दैट टीवी सीरीज वॉज क्वांटिको, एंड शी हैज़ प्लेड द लीड रोल इन दैट. ओके, तो व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ दैट बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस? She is Priyanka Chopra. She is Priyanka Chopra, and Priyanka Chopra has played the lead role in the US television series that is Quantico. that is Quantico. So the name of the series was Quantico, whereas the name of the actress is Priyanka. That was Priyanka Chopra. That was Priyanka Chopra. Moving to the 15th. What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? Saudi Arabia की capital क्या है? What is the capital of Saudi Arabia? So the capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh. R-I-Y-A-D-H. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Riyadh is the capital of Saudi Arabia. Okay, so these are the answers from 11 to 15. The 11th is Browser, 12th is Yudhishthir, 13th is Assam, 14th is Priyanka Chopra, and the 15th is Riyadh. Chaliye, let's move to the next. Okay, so let's move to the next one. That is the 16. Okay, so the question is, it is a milky extract collected from the rubber tree. It is used to make natural rubber. Okay, so now we are talking about a milky liquid that comes out of the rubber tree. Okay, और जो कि that is being used for making the rubber, जो कि रबर की चीज़ें बनाने के लिए यूज़ होता है. You know, we extract a liquid from a rubber tree, okay, and that liquid is being used for the making the items of rubber. So what is the name of that liquid? So the that liquid is latex. उस liquid को क्या बोलते हैं? That is known as latex. L-A-T-E-X. That is latex. That is latex. Moving to the 17th. The 17th is, the ringed planet is also known as the jewel of solar system. So now we are talking about the ringed planet and it is also known as the jewel of solar system. उसको solar system का jewel भी बोला जाता है. So what is the name of that ringed planet? That is Saturn. The name of that ringed planet is Saturn. Saturn is one of the planet in our solar system. Okay, and it has, Saturn is the only planet that has rings around it. Saturn इकलौता हमारी planet है जिसके अगल बगल rings है. So the Saturn is the only planet that has rings around it. Okay, so that's why it is known. And other than that, it is also known as, the other name of the Saturn is, that is the jewel. So that Saturn is also termed as the jewel of our solar system. So the answer for this is, that is Saturn. That is Saturn. So Saturn is known as the jewel of our solar system. Moving to the 18th. That is, this region is made up of Norway, Sweden and the Denmark. So now we are talking about a region that is the part of that Norway, Sweden and Denmark. They are the part of this region. So what are the name of these regions where this Norway, Sweden and Denmark countries lies? That is Scandinavia. That is Scandinavia. Okay. So the answer for the third is, that is Scan, S-C-A-N-D-I-N-A-V-I. That is Scandinavia. Okay. Moving next to the 19th one, the last. This animal is also known as the painted dog. So which animals are also known as painted dogs? Because of its patched fur. Okay, so these animals are known as painted dogs because they have some various patches. So it look is like that they look like उनकी body पे बहुत छोटे patches बने हुए, तो उनकी जो look है वैसी है, तो इसलिए उनको painted dogs बोला जाता है. So what is the name of that animal? That is, these are the dogs and they live in Africa. So these are African wild dogs. Okay, and unlike other dogs, they have round ears and they have various patches on their body. So that's why they are termed as painted dogs. So the answer for the fourth is, that is African. These are African dogs. These are African dogs. Okay. So these are the answers from 6 to 19 from the book. Okay. So this was our today's session, and I think this is the last one as well. So I'll wish you all the best for exams, and good day children, and take care of yourselves.